Good Sunday morning. I'm Starting 2 meteorologist Melissa Barrington. We have a busy weather day on tap for us with changing temperatures and also very strong winds. As we start out this morning, we are going to look at the winds, and as you can see here through early this morning, they're around 25 miles an hour sustained winds. The worst of the winds are to our west, and they will continue to press this way as the morning progresses. We do have a high wind warning in effect for our northern counties, mainly to the north of I-70, and a wind advisory for areas south of I-70 for today, and that continues until into the evening hours. As we look at the forecast winds, you'll see that the winds will actually increase as we go throughout the afternoon, and these are sustained winds. These are not the wind gusts. So we're looking at winds anywhere from 20 to 40 miles an hour, and especially in our northern counties, we could see winds gusting as high as 50 to 60 miles an hour. So the winds by later tonight will start to relax as we work our way into Monday. In fact, Monday we'll see the winds relax, especially during the afternoon, generally under 20 miles an hour. So here's a quick review of what could happen for today. Those winds could gust as high as 50 to 60 miles an hour. They could cause tree damage, power line damage, minor property damage, and could cause problems with driving on the roadways, especially if you have a high-profile vehicle. Make sure to secure outdoor items, and a lot of this is actually going to occur in our northern counties. Our southern counties won't see as much problems with damage. In addition to that, temperatures are going to be dropping throughout the day. Early this morning, we were well into the 50s, but we do have much colder air to our west. As you can see here, we are up 20 plus degrees here across the Miami Valley for early this morning, but the colder air is to the west. And as you can see here, it's now down to 43 in Indianapolis, 34 in Springfield. There's actually two frontal boundaries that are going to be pressing through the area today that could also bring in a chance of rain showers. Wind chills actually will be dropping into the teens by later on this evening and overnight tonight, and then tomorrow morning as the kids go back to school, they'll be waking up to wind chills in the single digits. Wind chills will improve during the day on Monday, but still it's going to be a cold day. Here's a look at the satellite and radar together, and you can see a few showers associated with the front that is pressing its way into western Ohio at this time. Two boundaries out there. The first one's going to drop us into the 40s. The second one back in Illinois, that one will drop us into the 30s come later today. Live Doppler 2 HD, for the most part it's quiet, but we will see some spotty showers develop. They could be in the form of rain and snow showers as temperatures continue to drop throughout the day, and a very slight chance of an isolated shower or storm. Clouds will remain in place as we go throughout the day, but tonight we'll start to see some clearing, and that'll allow for much colder temperatures to work their way in by Monday morning. So your forecast for today, many locations under a high wind warning or a wind advisory. Gusty winds no matter what throughout the day. Temperatures falling first into the 40s and then into the 30s as we go throughout the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 50 to 60 miles an hour. Tonight, turning much colder, the winds will lessen a little bit. Overnight lows in the upper teens, and then for Monday, the sun comes out, breezy conditions, and temperatures in the middle 30s. Your extended forecast here, Monday and Tuesday, looking at dry weather, and then some unsettled weather with light precipitation Wednesday and Thursday, and then a bigger storm system coming in by next weekend.